This video takes a look at how singular nouns are turned into plural nouns. The rules for making the plural of nouns depend on the spelling and pronunciation. Most of the time, making a singular noun plural is as simple as adding an S to the end of the word. For example, cow, cows, dog, dogs, house, houses, river, rivers, and so on. What if a noun is already ending with S? Do we need to put another S? So bus in plural should be written as bus. No, we have a different rule for it. If a singular noun ends with S, SS, CH, SH, X or Z, add ES to the end of the noun. Here, bus is ending with S, so we can add ES at the end of the bus to make it plural. So bus will be written as buses. Let's make plural of class. Class, classes. Let's look at some more examples. Match, matches. Wish, wishes. Box, boxes, and so on. There are a few exceptions to this rule. For example, monarch, monarchs. Although it ends with CH, we do not add ES, we add S only. In the same way, stomach, stomachs. Most nouns ending in O generally form their plurals by adding ES. For example, mango, we will add ES after O to make it plural. So mango will become mangoes. Other examples are hero, heroes, potato, potatoes, volcano, volcanoes, domino, dominoes, and so on. Please note, some singular nouns ending in O form their plural by simply adding S, not ES. Examples are photo, photos, piano, pianos, radio, radios, video, videos, and so on. When a singular noun ends in a consonant and then Y, drop the Y and add IES to make it plural. So baby will become babies. Does it mean that every noun ending with Y should be replaced by IES to make it plural? No. Such as boy, plural is boys. Toy, plural is toys. So what is the point here? If the Y is after a consonant, then it will get replaced by IES. And if Y is after a vowel, then we will just add S to make it plural. Let's look at some more examples of the word which ends with consonant plus Y. Spy, spies. City, cities. Lady, ladies. Country, countries, and so on. If the noun ends with F or FE, the F is often changed to VE before adding the S to form the plural version. Like wife is ending with FE, then FE will change to VE and S will be added to make it plural. So wife will become wives. There are few exceptions to this rule, like proof, proofs, belief, beliefs, roof, roofs, chief, chiefs, gulf, gulfs. Note, there are a few words ending with F whose plural can be made in two different ways, by adding S or by adding VES, such as scarf can be written as scarves or scarves, hoof, hoofs or hoops, dwarf, dwarfs or dwarfs. A few nouns form their plurals by changing the inside vowel of the singular, as in man the vowel is A, so A will be changed into E, so man will become men. See few more examples: woman, women, foot, feet, goose, geese, mouse, mice, tooth, teeth, and so on. Adding en to the singular form to transform into plural. Ox will be oxen, child will be children. The majority of nouns have distinct plural and singular forms. However, there are some special words that are spelled and pronounced the same way in both their singular and plural forms. For example, swan, swan, sheep, sheep. Few more words whose singular and plural forms are alike. Please memorize: accommodation, advice, aircraft, aluminium, binoculars, and so on. Some nouns are used only in the plural. Name of the instruments which have two parts forming a kind of pair, as scissors, tongs, spectacles. Name of the specific articles of dress: trousers, jeans, tights, shorts, pajamas. The following nouns look plural but are in fact singular. Names of the subject: mathematics, physics, electronic, etc. The word news. Names of the some common diseases: measles, mumps, rickets. Names of some games: billiards, etc. Certain collective nouns, though singular in forms, are always used as plurals. For example, these poultry are mine. Here poultry is in the singular but used as a plural. In the sentence, whose are these cattle? Cattle is a singular noun but used as a plural noun. Other examples are vermin, people, gentry. A compound noun generally forms its plural by adding s to the principal word. Commander-in-chief, commanders-in-chief. Coat of mail, coats of mail. Son-in-law, sons-in-law. Daughter-in-law, daughters-in-law. Many nouns taken from foreign languages keep their original plural form, as erratum, errata, index, indices, radius, radii. From Greek: axis, axis, crisis, crisis, basis, basis. I know this is crazy, but this is how it goes. We have to mug up. This is it. Thank you.